Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the service indicator of a Mazda 6 2013. When we turn the ignition on, there was an indicator, a spanner light popping up on the dashboard. And in this short video I'm going to show you how you can reset that. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars, some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, first of all, have the ignition on, pressed on, all the lights must go on. Then we're gonna use the info button over here, find the settings over here. Yes, press the middle of the info button, it's also an enter button, like this, and then scroll down with the arrows button on the info to maintenance. Press the info to enter the maintenance area, then go to scheduled. Then you can set two things: the time, so I'm gonna set it to 12 months, that the next indicator or the spanner light pops up for the service. To enter or to confirm is press the middle of this button. Then we have the second one, it's about the mileage or the amount of kilometers, the distance, like this. You can set this to whatever you want with a maximum. I don't know the maximum. Let's say we're gonna set it to 20,000. Press the info button to enter it. And another thing I want to show you is the messages area. So, for example, say you don't want any service indicator messages popping up on your dashboard, you can go here and turn that off. And do the check. Turn off the ignition, turn back on the ignition, and you'll see that the surface maintenance required area is clear now about messages from the service. That was it for this video. I want to thank you for watching our videos. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.